An idiom is a phrase where the meaning isn't obvious from the words themselves. But did you know? Many idioms are derived from historical events, practices, or customs, making them little pieces of history in our everyday language. Let me give you 3 popular idioms to show you what I mean. First, break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a social setting. She told a joke to break the ice at the party. This one comes from the days when ships had to literally break ice to pass through frozen waters. Next, hit the nail on the head. It means to be exactly right. You hit the nail on the head with that solution, just like hammering a nail perfectly into place. And finally, piece of cake. It means something is very easy. That math problem was a piece of cake. But be careful, idioms like these can vary by region and culture and might not translate well into other languages. And that's the magic of idioms. They're like little nuggets of wisdom passed down through generations, adding color and fun to our conversations. If you enjoyed learning about idioms, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's keep the fun going and explore more of what makes language so amazing.